Hook, have you ever wondered how long it takes to open an Ally Bank account? I know I did, and it was a bit of a mystery until I finally took the plunge. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the process, from application to approval, and answer the burning question, how long does it really take to become an Ally Bank customer? Context: Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and other competitive financial products. But before you can enjoy the benefits, you need to get approved for an account. So, let's get started. Application process. The first step is to fill out an online application. This process is pretty straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Required documentation. Once you've submitted your application, Ally Bank will likely request some additional documentation to verify your identity and financial information. This might include proof of identity, a copy of your driver's license or passport. Proof of address, a utility bill or bank statement with your current address. Income verification, pay stubs, tax returns, or W-2 forms. Review and approval. After you've provided the necessary documents, Ally Bank will review your application and make a decision. The review time can vary depending on several factors, including completeness of your application. The more information you provide up front, the faster the review process will be. Complexity of your financial situation. If your financial history is complicated, it may take longer to verify your information. Bank's workload. The volume of applications Ally Bank is processing can also affect the review time. Typical approval times. While there's no exact timeline, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Simple applications. For most applicants with straightforward financial situations, approval can happen within a few business days. Complex applications. If your application requires additional scrutiny, it could take up to a week or longer. Factors affecting approval. Several factors can influence whether or not you'll be approved for an Ally Bank account. Credit score. A good credit score can improve your chances of approval and may result in more favorable terms. Income. Ally Bank may consider your income level to assess your ability to repay loans or maintain savings accounts. Employment history. A stable job history can be a positive factor in the approval process. Financial history. Any past financial issues, such as bankruptcies or foreclosures, may impact your eligibility. Tips for faster approval. Here are some tips to help you get approved for an Ally Bank account as quickly as possible. Complete your application accurately. Double-check all the information you provide to avoid delays. Gather required documents in advance. Having everything ready to go will streamline the process. Be prepared to answer questions. Ally Bank may contact you to request additional information or clarify certain details. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't heard back after a reasonable amount of time, don't hesitate to contact Ally Bank's customer service. Additional considerations. Waiting periods. In some cases, you may need to wait a certain period before opening an account if you've recently closed other accounts with Ally Bank or had negative financial activity. Account types. The type of account you're applying for can also influence the approval time. Savings accounts are typically easier to get approved for than loans or credit cards. Conclusion. So, how long does it really take to get approved for an Ally Bank account? The answer is, it depends. While many applicants can expect approval within a few business days, the exact timeline can vary based on several factors. By following the tips we've discussed and being prepared with the necessary documentation, you can increase your chances of a smooth and timely approval process. Call to action. If you're ready to open an Ally Bank account and start enjoying the benefits of online banking, visit their website or contact their customer service for more information. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.